when enemy missiles tear through the skies heading toward India. Then who becomes the shield of our skies? Who is it that eliminates the threat from 600 kilometers away? This is the world's most dangerous air defense system, the S-400, which is the most modern missile defense system developed by Russia. It is considered the world's most advanced and dangerous air defense system. It can shoot down enemy fighter jets, drones, cruise, and ballistic missiles from 400 kilometers away, and that too, simultaneously targeting multiple threats. That means it ends the enemy's game in the air itself. Why did India buy it? India purchased around 5 units from Russia for approximately 40,000 crores rupees. Considering the threat of war on two fronts like China and Pakistan, the S-400 has become a game changer for India's sky defense. This system gives India the power to defend itself even before any air attack. Yes friends, this is the same defense system that shocked Pakistan during Operation Sindoor. It is the same defense system that shot down Pakistan's deadly AWACS aircraft, and that too in Karachi, directly from Punjab without any other airstrike. What is its strength? Let's see. Can track 36 targets simultaneously. Radar range up to 600 kilometers. Missiles with strike range up to 400 kilometers. Capability to shoot down fighter jets, drones, cruise, and even hypersonic missiles. 4 types of missiles are housed in a single launcher, covering threats from all ranges. That means no matter how fast the enemy comes from the sky, escape is impossible. Where has it been deployed in India? India has deployed its first S-400 unit near Punjab to keep watch on the actions of both Pakistan and China. The remaining units are being placed in sensitive areas like West Bengal, Ladakh, and Arunachal. That means now every corner of India is safe even from the skies. Today, as India moves toward Atmanirbhar Bharat, the S-400 is taking our defense strength to new heights. This is not just a system, it has become the eyes, ears, and shield of India. Now the enemy will think 100 times. Because India no longer just responds. It eliminates the threat in the air itself. By the way friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do write in the comments which air defense system like the S-400 India is developing. Thank you, friends.